They gonna wait until the sun go down and the track get cold and not hooking that good. Then they gonna start it. Nah, I ain't been with kids on this. So Mike said left side. Hey man, bet 10. Red light. Today this track has no bikes. I didn't. Nah, I'm betting on the other side, man. They got the all-out shootout. They got the daily driver shootout. They got the 750 class, 80 class, and maybe a 70 class. The all-out class got 500 on top of the pot, $100 buy-in. The daily driver got 250 on top. Take your money like that, man. I ain't want to take your money like that. Look out. I ain't feel like having the cash. Nah, man. I ain't got change. You still owe 5 anyway, right? You already 10? All right. Well, then I get the whole 20 then. I get the whole 20 if you owe 10. Look out, man. No, Yeah, and that. Okay, bet. I'm all confused. Hey, yeah, I ain't giving no change though, cause it's too hard to find it. Oh, here go 10. Right here. They need a 10 ounce for us slow guy. Yeah, they gonna have to run that on a different day. Got my boy in the building to make sure he getting lined up correctly. He ready to do his thing, man. He don't play no game. Oh, they got nitrous on this BMW. I ain't gonna lie, Yello Belly got a little stickiness on there. This is an 8-mile track, man, outlaw. All you need is your $20 to get in. You can race whatever you got. All the way from an RC car to a bike. ATV and everything. Yello Belly ain't never made that noise on the shoe right. I got this side. This side. No, they're not ready for it. Mustang with the school bus gap. Not the short one, but the big long one. No, you can run your RC car. Mijo with the El Camino. Oh, Mijo. You only need 150 shot. Yeah, they fired that security guy and the girl. The girl who was saying, "Get that bitch! Get that bitch!" She gone. They put V8 down. Yeah, they put V8. Basically, we do that they put their own VHT down and do another burnout in that. Huh? 3 to 1 where? Yeah. He ain't doing nothing.
That's three and one.
Yeah.
3 haircuts.
Yeah, he got 3 haircuts in one. They say he got a shag, a fade, and a mullet.
Well, that's dope. He ain't lying. I just looked at it.
Hey, look out from Oklahoma. Yeah, they had to. Do you see they ain't here no more? They got some new security. Yeah, they got fired. That was their last day. No, I think they came one more day. But they gone now. That's over with. Ain't gonna be no more stepping on nobody's car. Oh yeah, man. Look at old Yello Belly hooking, man. Let me see if my shoe come off. Oh yeah. They been hooking, man. They all doing this job today. That's how we clean the track at Yello Belly. That's it. Then somebody take overalls, more shoes. Oh yeah, man. It is hooking. I ain't gonna lie. Going down, man. Let me see. What they talking about over here, man? I want to see. Hey, what's up with it? Look out. Let me see what they looking at. I'm trying to see too.
Oh, it's on for YouTube, right?
Yeah, I'm on YouTube. Go on, let them know. Oh, shit. Man, you need to tie your shoe up, man. I seen you about to fall a while ago, man. Banditos don't be on the ground. You need to stay up, baby.
I haven't fell yet.
Okay, don't fall.
Hell yeah.
Okay.
Let me get some beef jerky. Try it.